Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Cook with Mrs. Umami. In this video, I'm going to make fruit scones. I will mix all the dry ingredients first. I put some all-purpose flour in my food blender first. Then add some sugar, a little salt, baking powder, unsalted cold butter, mix them all. When it's done, I got these very fine crumbs. I soaked the sultanas in the white cooking wine one day before to stop them drying out during baking. Then add it to the dry mixture. Now I will mix all the wet ingredients. There are some buttermilk. Add some vanilla extract. One whole egg. Then give a good whisk. Add the wet mixture to the crumbs. Mix them all until the bowl is clean. Cover it, let it rest for 30 minutes. Flour the table and the dough before making the shape. Don't knead the dough, but make it thick enough to roll out. I usually make the dough 2.5 cm thick. My recipe is enough to make 10 scones. Let them rest for 20 minutes. While waiting, prepare the oven at 350 Fahrenheit. Brush the scones with egg wash. 20 minutes is up. It's time for baking. Bake them for 20 to 25 minutes until you see the golden color. The color is perfect, and the sultanas didn't shrink. This is the price list of all my ingredients, so each scone cost me 40 cents. I'm going to enjoy my scones with clotted cream and strawberry jam. Thanks for watching my video.